In the world of gaming, the competition for players' attention is fierce. But for many game developers and marketers, the quest for success often ends in disappointment. So what is game marketing getting wrong? One of the biggest mistakes marketers make is assuming that flashy graphics and high production value are enough to sell a game. While eye-catching visuals are important, they should always be paired with a clear message about what makes your game unique and why players should be interested in it. Here's some ideas to show that your game is unique. Interesting story and a relatable character. New gameplay mechanics. Original or uncommon theme, style, and graphics. Attractive multiplayer features. Great soundtrack and fascinating setting. Another common mistake is not understanding your audience. A lot of game marketers create campaigns that speak to themselves, rather than the players they're trying to reach. It is important to know who your target audience is, what they like and what they don't like, and tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. To flesh out your target player, you can, for example, research similar games to see who's playing them, and read user reviews to find out what's good and bad, and any other insights players may have. Find these players from social media and online forums. Reach out to ask some questions. From the gathered data, you can create one or several player personas with their demographic data like age, gender, interests, social media platform of choice, and so on. Using these player personas, you can build personalized campaigns to promote your game. Another mistake game marketers make is not listening to player feedback during development. Players are the ultimate judges of your game, and their opinions and experiences can give you valuable insights into what is working and what is not. This can include testers, fans, and the larger community who is talking about your game on social media. And finally, many game marketers make the mistake of focusing on acquiring new players rather than retaining existing ones. A strong retention strategy is just as important as acquiring new players, as it helps to create a stable player base and generate more revenue. The best prospects to buy your next game are the ones who bought the previous one. Pay attention to them and highlight the features and improvements they have asked for. Offer an incentive for the owners of the previous games, like a free DLC. By avoiding these common mistakes, game marketers can create campaigns that really connect with the players and drive success for their games. To learn more about game marketing, watch this next.